This is the MIDI Machine. This is the computer I use to make most of my MIDI videos with. As you can see here, it's an old Packard Bell made for Windows 98. It's a late 90s computer. Here are the original specs for it. 333 MHz K62 CPU, 6.4 GB hard drive, which this still has, 64 megabytes of RAM, which I upgraded to 96 megabytes, 56K modem, which I removed, CD-ROM drive, which I have. It's not the one that originally came with it, but it's replacement. Of course, there's a floppy drive, and you can see the live drive for the Sound Blaster right here. Here's the inside of the computer. Here are the two sound cards. One of them takes up 2 slots. Both these are PCI. This third slot right here is ISA. I do not have an ISA card of any kind for that. Here's the Sound Blaster with its connector to the front. It's a ribbon connector. This is the Riptide audio/modem card. It has a cable that connects it. Takes up 2 slots. This card has its own wavetable synth and an FM one that is Yamaha OPL2 and OPL3. As far as graphics go, I'm using the integrated graphics on it. If I can just get this to focus. There we go. Using the integrated graphics on it, and they do quite well. I do have a PCI video card, but just like the integrated graphics, it only has a VGA output, so it won't really make a difference at all. I doubt either way either one of them will be strong enough to do any sort of screen capturing. As you can see here, it has most of the standard ports. PS2 ports for the mouse and keyboard, USB 1.0, serial, parallel, whatnot, VGA for the integrated graphics. Here are the inputs and outputs for the integrated sound. That is the crystal semiconductor integrated sound. And this is actually quite good. His own FM MIDI synth that sounds kind of similar to the Yamaha one. Alright, down here we've got our Sound Blaster, all the ins and outs, game port. We've got our Riptide game port for the dial-up components right here. Now if the computer has a proper connector, you can use video out and S-video, and which this computer doesn't have. And here's the microphone, line in and line out for the sound card.